In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set expiration time on Pocket Option. First, let's quickly define what expiration time means. In this platform, the expiration time is the exact moment your trade will close. Choosing the right duration is important because it determines how long the market has to move in your predicted direction. Start by opening the trading platform and selecting the asset you want to trade. You'll see popular choices like major currency pairs and cryptocurrencies such as EUR, USD, or BTC. Pick the market you're most comfortable analyzing. Different assets can move at different speeds, so keep volatility and your strategy in mind when choosing. Next, look to the right-hand trading panel. You're searching for the expiration time control, which is usually displayed as a time field or a small clock icon. It's placed near the trade amount and the UP and down buttons. If you're on a smaller screen, it might be collapsed into an icon, but it serves the same purpose. Click the expiration time or the clock icon. This opens the time selector. You'll find a range of preset durations like 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 hour. Select the time that best matches your trading plan. Shorter times, such as 30 seconds or 1 minute, are fast and require quick decision-making. Medium durations, like 5 or 15 minutes, allow a bit more market movement to play out. Longer times, such as 1 hour, can suit trades based on broader trends. Before you confirm, double-check that the displayed time reflects what you intended, especially if your platform shows local time or countdown format. Now enter your trade amount. This is the capital you're putting into the position. Make sure it fits your risk tolerance and overall plan. Many traders prefer keeping amounts consistent to avoid emotional decision-making. If you're still learning, consider starting small and focusing on process and consistency. When you're ready, choose your direction. Click Up, sometimes labeled Call, if you believe the price will be higher at the expiration time. Click Down or Put if you expect it to be lower. After clicking, the platform will place the trade, and you'll typically see a confirmation on the chart, including the entry price, the chosen expiration, and a countdown timer. Keep an eye on the timer so you know exactly when the trade will settle. That's it. Open the platform and select your asset, set the expiration time, enter your amount, and choose UP or down to place the trade. Always review the expiration and amount before confirming, and practice until the process feels smooth and deliberate.